Hello, my Ongbenge people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anywhere now they watch me, and they greet una, and they twale for una. Welcome to United TV show. I beg my people, if today is your first time, I beg make you no fail to subscribe and make you hit that Congo bell for your notification button, so that anytime I upload a video, you will not say this lady, she don't put new video, she don't post new video. Make her go see the Ongbenge story where she become this time around, my people. Wonder shall never end. Wicked people know they finish for this our world. What would they so wicked every day? You can see with it this man due to full family. How? Oh my God! People get mind there, and people they wicked for this life. This man wipe out entire family. 3 family, wipe out 3 family. This man gets juju, different type of juju. They get their own things where they work. The one where they kill. The one they send people backward, they send people backward. The one where they make women, girls no go marry. They different type of juju. I bet my people, we can watch the video. We could come back for the ones who don't hear the language. I go come back here, come interpret for na, come tell na how the matter take go. I bet my people, make una watch her.
Obu ya back no. No is but ya nam. Anya ajibaro gu no kwa sabuli buru na anu go na emiata obreze kebu. Okwu ya ina. Ayi wole ba di no ogbo. Arusi di no ogbo na ahuru no nya bu nke nwe ije modogun we. Ije egbu mmaru mgbe adịghị mma. Azodogu ebo. Na ka ije alụ nnukwu ọrụ gwa iji gbuo mmadụ eto, gbuo nne, gbuo nna, gbuo nwa, ogwe eziokwu. Na-etiela anyị ọnụ. Ọkwa nya ka anyị jụrụ gị. Boys. Ọkwa nke ije mmadụ odogu nwa edo. Nnọọ, anyị kelere gị nne. Kedu ebe bụ m n'obu gị n'ọgwụ nwa atata? Na bụ na emebi ọgwụ nwa atata na site na ike nke anyị anamụ na ọgwụ nwe ezi mmadụ ọzọ ọgwụ na anamụ niile. Ịgbagokwu ndụ na anamụ niile ọwa niile na o nwere onye ọgwụ gị nwa agwọ maka na ndị na-eme ka ike gị nwere rụrụ tata bụ anamụ niile na ọ bụrụ mmịata iche maka ịgba ndụ gwepụ mmịata isoro onye obere ọzọ jide nne na nna na nwa maọbụ owu famili gbukolu maka na ọ magoro gị ọnụ ijigoro ọnụ gị kwuo na stata nwere gaba n'imekwutego nke nwere ihe mezi ọzọ nnọọ anyị kelere gị ọrụ bụ nke bụ ebe igwe nwe ije egbu mmadụ akwa nke bụ nnekwute ebe gị nwanyị na ọka ebe arụsị gị nwe ije eme ije akpa ike nwe do nke bụ aza ije eme ndị obodo mkpasa ya bụ akpatasa abịgo mmadụ kpasa nke bụ oke ite gị nwa ajụrụ gị asa na abịa si na nwere nnukwu ọkụ dị n'ebe nwe na ya abụgọkwa na ọkụ nwa dị n'ebe nwe o nwere nke a gwọrọ ọgwụ dị n'ime ọkụ nwa nne nke nwe ka na-ekwu ope ọkụ nne na nke nwe na mmiri emetụrụ ya izi anyị kelere gị nne ka ezi aba gị na-esi n'ọnyịnya bụ aba gị nke bụ akwọba aka kere ọnụ mbi ebu na mmụ ya taa na mmụ aja anị kere ọnụ mbi ebu na mmụ aja anị mmụkwa ka ebu n'ime mmụ aja anị na-abụ ndị na-asa mmadụ arụ ma mmadụ melu arụ oke ọ bụrụ na bụ ndị nwa na-ese arụ oke mana ọ mmụkwa ka ịbụ abata n'ime mmụkwa kọrọ ndị ụlọ ịbụ n'ime mmụkwa mmụnwa agwụ oke abata n'ime mmụnwa agwụ kọrọ ndị bụ ndị ọkwụrụ unu goi bụ ndị okirikiri unu ga oke nnọọ ị na anyị kelere gịrị nne asị na eme ngwa ngwa emebere ọdachi ọmụmụkwa niile ka i mere na abịa na abịa ejiro na-aga aga maọbụ nwere ndị ụlọ nke na-abụ na-ekwu nyabụ okwu iche Okay. Ma dịka ụdị iji avụ ọrụ ezinụlọ ibe gị tata, dịka iji bute idumọtali gị nwe. wosi na ane enwere alụsọ idumọtali mbụ na mmịata obodo ka lokoshi mọsa ya bụ emala ebe ọ dị erika iji nwe nke nnogwute gị dị n'ebe nwe aka iji avụrụ ezinụlọ ibe gị ọ na-agahụ aga so na onye nwe ibe nwe na-eme nwe na alụsị gị nwa na onye bụ na nwere nwa na-abanye gị nọ iwe oyiri di ya a sị m ya bụ na o nwere ibe ọ na-aba anị bụ ya bụ alụsị gị nwa ọgwụ iwe omeniri nnọọ anyị kenego gị nnọọ na nke odogwu ana m ịbịa tata ekwuru m si na nke nwenye nọ gị nwe ọnwụ onye yi na ichere ihe ọjọọ n'isi ebe isi gị ka ọ dị ele degede ebunye aka oti onwe enye ụdụnwa ka o ji dị isi ụdụaka ana m ji nwere ikwu ya ụdụaka na mmịata ji nwere ikwu ya na aba anyị ana m o.
Una see the way people take get mind till they do that fellow human being something. Now see, he just wipe three family, just wipe papa, mama, pikin, you wipe the through like that. Don't you see, as he wipe the through like this, he go carry that property. Oh, he don't be say go carry that property because no be that relation. You know, maybe not that person they close to them, now they collect that property. But this one will wipe the family now. You know, collect property. He just want to do the wickedness. He want you to do the bad. All those people, they enjoy to they do bad. They enjoy to they see other people they in pain. This kind of people, they enjoy it in a sweet state. If people know they suffer, they know they happy. If people know they in pain, they know they happy. To the verse, say people know they in pain. Where people don't they in pain, they suffer. Though they get joy, though they happy. Say this man will get different type. Now later on, we go see some girls. They don't go see husband marry. We just now waiting the girl do now the girl now commit crime. They don't go know some person. They want corner. Just they use the girl face. They put mask for the girl face. No better person will come the person face. No better man. Any man when ever come a person will just come. Now man go ever come away. No better one will come away. Why people just do wicked like that? Why some people just they enjoy to they see others they suffer? Some rich boys nowadays they just get money. The next you see they don't get money again. Or some boys they struggle. They try to make money. Now we see they know they don't think they work for where they did. And though they hard working. Nothing will ever good for where they did. People don't ever appreciate the hard work when they work. Just because that one they collect the good things was to come the person way. That one they block the person blessing and the person success. Why? Why bad people did this world like this? Now good no day get bad every day. Evil men and evil women every day. The ones who don't see opportunity to come go those juju things, to go those babalawo pray, don't find all that things they do their own bad, they go. To find something to block person way. If they don't see opportunity to go such places, if they don't see opportunity to lay their hand in such things, they will find one thing to they block somebody way. No good thing will they call the person. Where person go make good thing come, they'll go there, go block the person way. No good thing will call the person way. Why? Why would they enjoy? Why bad people they enjoy such thing? Why? My people, when I see waiting this as that old man rich now, I say you're old. Now even old men say that they do this thing pass. They know they use that they get money. I don't know why Nigeria people own. All those wicked people they keep people. Don't know they use that they get money, eh? They only they use that they kill, they destroy. They can never use it to save. Why? They don't go use that they save. Now also they kill, they destroy, then they use that they do. I never hear say so one man or one woman will get juju or will be witch. Now so you can use that they help person. I never hear her. I never hear her. Only the ones who they hear say na so they use a take kill. Na so they make the person no can get pikin or na so they make the person the business when they move. Now those bad ones now they hear. Never you say they use a take do better thing. All those old men. For old man safe to even they pray for the younger ones to grow. Now they use that juju, they make the younger ones they go down day by day. See now make many of our young guys nowadays they go they put their hand for where no good. Just because of they don't try many things, they don't feel maker. They go put their hand for bad thing. Why some of them are lazy ones are they call them, some of them are they lazy. They can't put their hand for bad thing because they lazy. But many of them, they know they lazy, they hard work, but all the work they work, no good thing they come out from it. No good thing they come out from it. Why? You be like a person will work for money tonight, you don't say anything for it. Say you go put on for bad thing, huh? You go put on for bad thing. Or some girls, some women will date women for so many years, they find picking. Because of that, they go from one church to another, just for picking. Some of them will see nothing at their hand, they take us, but many of them are people that cost her for their life. Now people make them not see picking born. Why? See this man now, see you're old. So they kill, they go. They kill with no mercy. You never care, see now human being life, now they take. You they take dead when they kill foul, they kill dead, they will not care whether a human being like me and they kill. So what if I can't die? You never care, you never they feel as in a person and they kill. Why family come out like that? My people, make una drop on a comment. Make una say drop on our opinion whether these people know what they do is good. And why they say don't they use this that witchcraft, this that juju things. Take the help people where it's not bad that they use that they do. Why? I'm not gonna drop in a comment. Because Nigerians with anybody Nigeria, Africans with all those bad things, this effect, these things, it's not good. I been make gonna share this video, make go rant. You know those bad people, make they see watch out, make they repent. Mona repent. And now this will be say nobody they believe say God there exists, or nobody believe say heaven there exists, nobody believe say God's day. But my people, God did this day. Because now the ones who don't believe, that's so they worse day by day they go say God no there exists, say nothing like God. You know they worse day by day. Thanks guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Bye.